REDRAGON K583 one-handed RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard 44-key gamut editor with programmable keys, macro recording, blue switches, detachable palm rest and USB-C. USB pass-through for Windows PC. Cost $24.50. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/gp/score YO_B_SC/refeclus PPX_IE/F8%PS one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard. Become a pro and get rid of those extra keys and keep the most useful ones. All your action keys are in one convenient place. No more misclicked keys during those tense FPS battles. 44 keys, mechanical gamut and anti-ghosting. Cherry blue equivalent switches with audible click sound, and crisp, precise tactile feedback. 38 programmable keys and 4 macro keys for key action recording for a flawless gaming performance. All keys are conflict-free. N-key rollover. RGB LED backlit gaming keyboard, with 5 different lighting modes and effects, 5 backlight brightness levels, adjustable breathing speed. The illumination can be completely turned off. The keycaps offering clear, uniform, crisp backlighting, ergonomic design with detachable palm rest. The one-handed PC gaming keyboard has been ergonomically designed with a magnetic detachable wrist rest, giving you the comfort you need for marathon gaming sessions. Comes with 6-foot detachable USB-C cable and USB pass-through port. PC gaming keyboard compatibility: Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. Also compatible with Mac, Xbox, PS4 and Nintendo Switch. Product information: product dimensions 7.1 x 9.1 x 1.4 inches. Item weight 1.2 pounds. Shipping weight 1.2 pounds. View shipping rates and policies. Manufacturer REDRAGON, Awesome B07RHQH7H5.